In this video, I'll show you how to add a Wells Fargo debit card to my Apple Pay account. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. Adding your Wells Fargo debit card to Apple Pay makes everyday payments faster, easier, and more secure. Once your card is added, you can use your iPhone to pay in stores, online, and inside apps without needing to carry your physical card. Apple Pay also protects your card details by using built-in security features, so your actual card number is never shared during transactions. To get started, unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app from your home screen. The Wallet app is where all your cards, passes, and Apple Pay settings are managed. When the app opens, look for the plus icon in the top corner and tap on it to begin adding a new card to your Apple Pay account. You'll now see a screen showing the types of cards you can add. Select the option to add a debit or credit card, then tap Continue to move forward. Apple Pay will then guide you through the process of entering your Wells Fargo debit card information. At this stage, you can add your card by scanning it with your iPhone's camera. Hold your phone over the Wells Fargo debit card and align it within the frame shown on the screen so the card details can be captured automatically. After scanning, you'll be asked to manually enter the cardholder name and card number. Carefully type in the details, then review the information before continuing. Once you complete these steps, your Wells Fargo debit card will be added to your Apple Pay account. You can now use Apple Pay anywhere it's accepted, including in stores, online, and within apps, using your iPhone for quick and secure payments. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.